Hey there, welcome to today's episode on the Upkeep video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Today we're going to explore a powerful tool called Design Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, or DFMEA. By the end of this episode, you'll understand what DFMEA is, how it differs from FMEA, and the key factors to consider when implementing it. We'll also walk you through how to conduct a DFMEA audit and share some essential tips. So if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, buckle up and let's dive into this essential aspect of effective maintenance. So what exactly is DFMEA? It's a process tool that helps companies locate and repair design failures. This tool is used by a wide range of industries to help reduce the overall costs of design failure. The goal is to identify these failures early, ensuring that the finished products are free from problems when they hit the market. When DFMEA is effective, it can help you avoid costly consequences, such as product recalls or even lawsuits from consumer tragedies. Now, you might be wondering, how is DFMEA different from FMEA? Well, FMEA, which stands for Failure Mode and Effects Analysis, originated in the U.S. military during the 1940s. It includes a methodical process that looks at possible failures in design, production, or assembly processes, or an actual product or service. DFMEA is a component of FMEA that looks specifically at issues related to design. DFMEA is an effective tool for many industries, including manufacturing, software development, healthcare, food services, and the automotive industry. In manufacturing, it can help identify issues before they become costly to correct. In software development, it uses structured brainstorming to identify, rate, and rank risks associated with a particular piece of software. In healthcare, DFMEA is a tool that has been embraced by several healthcare system improvement programs. In the food services industry, it can help improve the quality and safety of a wide variety of foodstuffs. And in the automotive industry, DFMEA provides the analytical tools that can help companies produce higher quality, safer vehicles. So, how does the DFMEA process work? Well, there are 4 key factors to consider when embarking on a DFMEA process. First, you need to understand the severity of the failure. This involves determining how serious the failure is to the overall organization. Second, you need to determine the root cause of the failure. This is crucial in eliminating the failure in the long run. Third, you need to consider the effect that the failure has on other critical assets and your overall production line. And fourth, it's important to understand the mode that your entire system was in when the failure occurred. Now, let's talk about how to conduct a DFMEA audit. Start by identifying the failed process. Then, determine the severity, cause, effect, and mode as outlined earlier. Once you understand the failure and the factors surrounding it, create a preventive maintenance plan to minimize this problem. Next, evaluate your other design processes to see if there are additional risks that require mitigation. Finally, management should delegate preventive maintenance duties related to these risk-sensitive processes to trained and experienced team members. Here are 4 tips to remember when you're going through the DFMEA process. First, set up objective, reasonable criteria. Second, communication during the process is critical to overall success, so be sure to have an ongoing dialogue with key team members. Third, once management establishes preventive maintenance schedules, it's important to stick to them. And fourth, the management team that oversees the DFMEA process should be well educated on the entire operation. In conclusion, DFMEA is a powerful analytic tool that can help companies determine the severity, cause, effect, and mode of failures. By implementing preventive maintenance tasks to reduce or mitigate design problems, companies can produce safer products, build a trusted reputation, and increase revenue. Thank you for watching today's episode on DFMEA. We've explored its definition, differences from FMEA, and how it's used in various industries. We've also discussed how to conduct a DFMEA audit and shared some essential tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more episodes in our Upkeep video series.